Hey, look at that. Hi, I'm Amy Elizabeth, and this is my first vlog ever. Is that how you say it? Vlog? Vlog? I don't know. I'm technically a millennial, but I'm one of the really old millennials. I was born in 1983. I'm gonna be 35. So I'm still too young to be president, but old enough to have ruined the economy, which I feel like is a special time for a woman in her life, really, when you think about it. I wanted to do a YouTube channel and have a vlog for a long time, but I really didn't know what to do. I'm not very interesting, to be fair, or at least I don't think I'm very interesting. I'm totally not selling you on this, am I? Anyway, but it occurred to me that there's a market for everything. People always are interested in stuff, so who knows? And one of the girls in a Discord that I'm into, she said, you know, look, you can make a video about your pile of laundry and someone would watch it and like it. And I thought, I got a pile of laundry with a story. The reason why I have this giant pile of laundry, gonna pan up to that, woo, it's pretty great, is because I went to Washington, D.C. Right after New Year's for the American Historical Association's annual conference. No, I don't have any video footage of that. That'd be great. And then I immediately started my semester with my high school students. I teach 10th grade and 11th grade AP US History and AP World History. And I pretty much got off the plane. We had a snow day that I spent like in an airport, and then came back and started work. So this pile of laundry that you see here is all clean laundry, but every unfolded piece of clothing or unhung piece of clothing is symbolic of the fact that I haven't had any time to do anything. Now I know you're thinking you haven't had time to fold your laundry, but you have time to spend at least 3 minutes and 55 seconds making a YouTube video. Yeah, that's right. Because as an adult, you can choose what you want to do with your time. You can say, could I use 4 minutes and 7 seconds to deal with the mountain of laundry? Or to make an entirely pointless YouTube video because you think, if that guy can do it, I can too. Right? Probably not. This is probably gonna go nowhere, but that's okay. I enjoyed it. The one photo that I did take of stuff that I did in Washington, I went out for a really nice Japanese dinner with a friend of mine, and I think I spent the whole meal telling him about why he should go to Japan. I'm going to Japan for the 3rd time this year in April. I love Japan, and no, I've never watched anime. Like I don't. What's anime? I know. Oh god, I've managed to disanimate such a bad video. And I just spit. That's great. If you have any questions about, I guess, like my laundry, advanced placement, history, leave them in the comments. And I'll keep making more videos. I'm happy to talk to you about school, fandom, whatever, as long as it's like appropriate. I don't want to get in trouble. This might be such a horrible mistake. But at least we're making it together. You, me. It's so bad. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing well wherever you are, and that if you get a snow day like I might get tomorrow, that you take full advantage of it. Bye. What do you do with your hands when you vlog? Do you like just put them up here? Do you put them down? I don't know. This has gone on too long.